Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly top up your PayPal account. Now this is very easy. Once you're inside your PayPal account, you will have the option that says transfer money. You want to click on that button there that says transfer money. It will take you over to this page here where it says money out or money in. You can basically top up your PayPal account by simple choose add money to your balance, or you can even add money using the Trustly. So it depends which one of the option you want to choose. So let's say I want to choose the first option here. You can go ahead and you can click this option here. It will basically tell you the details here that you need to send to that specific PayPal account, and you can see that here, and you can just basically send money using this account, right? You can simply click on OK. Another way to do that is that if you're currently using your mobile, you'll be able to add money to your PayPal account very easily. So once you're inside your mobile, it is much easier. It's quite similar. You just need to go ahead and add money to your PayPal account, and you can easily go ahead and transfer money using something like a Google Pay or GPay, right? That's very easy, but this is the easiest way that you can go ahead and transfer money to your PayPal account.